Okay, so for question 1 on page 11, determine the volume of the internal load-bearing wall sections. Okay, well, we already know what our load-bearing wall is, because if we go all the way back to page 7, okay, we highlighted on our plan what load-bearing walls would be and what external walls would be. And we did a worksheet a little while ago where we did this exact type of thing, okay? This is the internal wall. It's 15 meters long, and then you got the externals as well, okay? So I have a dummy plan here, and I'm going to put, let's get a similar orangey color, there we go. So this here is going to be my internal load-bearing wall, okay? And then the external walls are going to be just all of the outside ones, which I'll do off camera in a sec. So the total length of this wall here is going to be, let's just say 7 meters, okay? 7 meters in length. So if I have a profile like this, right? And I figured out, for example, right, this is not the actual numbers, but let's say, for example, I found that the area for that is 45,000 millimeters square. Okay, note that it's a 2 because it's an area. Okay, now if I want this in meters squared, it's going to be 0.045 meters squared. Okay, so 0.045. It's important that we use the same units, right? So if I was still using millimeters squared, the thing that I need to use in terms of length, right, this 7 would need to be 7,000 because there's 1,000 millimeters in a meter. So make sure you're in the same units. So when this question is asking me to determine the internal volume, well, I know that the area of the profile for an internal load-bearing wall is 0.045. We found that out on page 9. Okay, meters squared. Now, the volume of any extruded shape, right, it is the area of the face of that shape times by the length of the shape itself. So I have that little profile type, shape. I'm going to make it a 3D object. Okay, that's what I'm doing. And so the length here, how far into the page it's going, well, that's determined by how long this wall is, because that's how long the extrusion is going to be. So it's 7 meters for me. So I would do volume is equal to the area. My eraser's not working. There we go. The area, which is 0.045, times by 7. Okay, and I can't do that in my head, so we're just going to get a calculator out and do 0.045 times 7. Okay, and it's 0.315. 0.315 meters cubed, because now we have 3 dimensions. Okay, volume is a cubed factor.